Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing Outre Melted Hairline in the style Chandell, and I got it in the color 1. Prior to filming, I didn't do anything to this unit except apply my lace tint to the lace. This unit is a side part wig, and the side part is on the right side. First things first, I'm going to cut the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Then I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately. To lay my lace down today, I'm going in with the Outre Super Hold Spray. After applying that spray, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on a cool heat setting and make sure that the lace is nice and melted down and dry. Then you want to repeat that same process to the other 2 sides of the lace. Then I'm going to take that same Outre spray and spray on top of the lace for that extra melted look and for a better hold as well. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to really melt that lace down. I do this step for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my tweezers and pluck the hairline a little bit. The hairline is somewhat pre-plucked, but I wanted a more natural hairline look, so I just went back in. I'm taking my makeup brush that has foundation on it and going over the top of the lace to make the lace blend with my skin tone more. I'm using the Kiss razor to cut my lace off in sections. I'm going back in with that same spray and relaying the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now it's time to style my edges, so I'm going to take out a small section of hair. Then I'm going to take my tweezers and pluck the hair to give the baby hairs more of a natural look. If you really want to go for that fluffy baby hair look, you want to make sure that you curl your baby hairs with a thin flat iron. And for my baby hairs, I typically curl them downwards to achieve my fluffy baby hair look. To style my baby hairs today, I'm using the Got2 Bee Flex Hold Spray. blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush, and I'm just brushing the top of this wig to get a nice and flat foundation. Then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. To get the wig extra flat, I'm going in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting, and I'm going over the top of this wig to make sure it is flat and there are no lumps in the wig. Now it's time to detangle and brush these curls out, and when it comes to a synthetic wig, especially the long ones, I like to start from the bottom and then work my way up to prevent any tangles or knots. I went in with my Nairobi foam to slick down that piece of hair that was sticking up. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look of this wig, and I am very, very satisfied with this outcome. This unit does have shine to it, so if you're not a fan of the shine, you can definitely go in with some dry shampoo. This unit is definitely one of my favorite side part wigs. It just looked like a nice natural wig install, honestly. The way that the hair is layered and just the curls in general, this unit is so nice. The side part is on the right side. I'm typically a left side part girly, but the right side was definitely eaten too, so I was not mad at that. I feel like the way I did the baby hairs for this unit, it just looks more natural and it does have that fluffy baby hair look. Outre Chandell is definitely one of the synthetic hidden gems, so you definitely have to add this unit to your collection. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.